channel, and today we're gonna do pedicures. Now I have water, and it can change colors. And here is the bubbles too. And I wish I could pick the blue and scissors to cut the bubbles. And something for your feet. Green.
Green.
I would choose purple.
Purple. Okay. Okay.
And it can put some bubbles on. That really hurts ears. And I think it's gonna be a water fountain. It works! Water fountain works. I'm gonna leave this on. And now we're gonna cut the bubbles. I hope it works, guys. It works. And now we're gonna put our feet. It feels so warm.